Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. I am doing my second video for today. I just finished filming my Ulta haul. I had a massive Ulta haul. Aisha was very bad. I did more shopping, but hey, this is what I do. I got a PhD in shopping. You didn't know? Well, now you know. So today I'm going to be going over everything I got in my Five Below makeup haul. And then I also bought some stuff from my local beauty supply store. So I'll show you guys that afterwards. So if you guys want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I went to my Five Below my area, and they always have good stuff in there. I actually bought a couple of stuff, but I had to use them because I wait so long. I want to say I've had this haul just sitting here for like, I don't even know, maybe like a month now, which is pretty sad. But I wanted to do my makeup subscription boxes and get them out the way. So I'm like, I have to do this video because I want to use my stuff. Alrighty guys, so I want to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. Hi, welcome. My name is Aisha. I love all things makeup related. You see a lot of makeup subscription unboxings on my channel, makeup hauls, mystery boxes, you name it, I do on this channel, anything makeup related. So if you love makeup and you want to see cool makeup videos, then I would say subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. And that's it. And if you want to show some love and support, I always say you can always just give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Alrighty, so let's get into this haul. So the first thing I have in my hand is this bad boy right here. Do you guys see the glitter on this? Let me open her up for you guys so you can see. This is a beautiful, I've been dying to use this, guys, but I am very well disciplined. I don't use anything for the most part until I film. But guys, this was $5 at Five Below. Let me put, I just want to see if the glitter actually like is good, any good. So let me try a little of this glitter, even though it's gonna mess up my look because I'm doing a matte look today. But actually, is that gonna work with my look? I don't know if that's gonna work with my look. I'll try it anyway for you guys, just because I love you guys. It does stick. Let's see. It's just hard to apply them when you have nails on. What do you guys think, guys? I'm gonna put a little bit on this side. Hold on. So what do you guys think? Put a little bit on the back of my hand. It doesn't really like stick too well, but I mean, I only paid $5, so what do you expect? I mean, it does a decent job. It's decent, but I'm kind of, I don't know how I feel about it. I'm kind of not here for it because I feel like my eyelids look kind of greasy, and I'm not here for the greasy look. So now my whole look for today is ruined for the rest of the video. I do apologize, but you see the things I do for you guys for the video. Nevertheless, I think it's a beautiful palette, but I mean, it's $5. Beggars can't be choosers. I still love it. What do you guys think? I mean, I think that it's not too bad. It's not too shabby. All right, so that's the first thing I bought. You guys know I love rose gold, so they had this cool little rose gold ring mount that you could put on your phone. So, oh, that's cool. Oh, wow. I cannot wait to use this. So, it is a ring mount, right? But it also is, it says it has a vent mount. So you could put it to this part of your car. So like if I want to film, because I'm going to be doing Like when I do my TJ Maxx hauls, I'm going to be like showing you guys me in my car, me walking into the stores, me in the stores. So I can film a little video from my car and lock it onto my vent. This is cute. I'm here for that. I am here, and this was only $4. So in case you guys didn't know, if you don't have a Five Below in your area, Five Below is everything is in the stores under $5. So don't be like,
oh, you said it's Five Below, but this is $4.
It's like, no, it's five and below. It's not like Dollar Tree where everything's $1. And I don't know if your area has a Dollar Tree, but they have Dollar Trees in New York, which is like everything in the store is $1. So yeah. Alrighty, so let's continue. I need a new mirror because, I don't know, I've got a beautiful and precious vanity in my FabFitFun box, and it broke. The mirror didn't break. Actually, did the mirror break? I think the mirror did break. But I don't believe in that.
Oh, 8 years of bad luck. Oh, if you break a mirror, oh, you're going to get bad luck.
I don't believe in that type of stuff. So, I mean, I broke it, and I've been God has been blessing me. So don't believe those, don't believe the hype about that stuff. But nevertheless, this was in Five Below. And this was an amazing, this is a nice mirror. It's light operated, smart touch, battery operated, built-in storage tray, LED light. This is a nice vanity mirror. See? Your girl know how to shop. She know how to shop. Alright. I was just talking about rose gold. Look at my rose gold scissors. These are cute. I'm here for it. And these are some hefty scissors. Alright, so let's open her up. Now I can finally use this. I've been needing an actual vanity stand, and now I finally have one. Oh no, this was a no-go. This was a no-go. This mirror is so small. It looks bigger in the picture. Are you guys ready for this? I'm not going to do the mirror side. Look how small this... Well, actually, I guess it's standard. You got to put it together and be creative. So... Hold on, I'm going to put it together. Be right back. Okay, guys, I put the mirror together. I mean, it's not a big mirror, but I mean, I guess it's enough. It does a job. So, can't wait to use that. Alright. What else did I get? They had some lashes in here. I don't remember how much these were because I bought them so long ago. But these are your basic everyday lashes. They come with a glue, the adhesive glue. So I got some lashes. They probably were $3, which is probably $1 a lash, but that's not too shabby. I also bought some LA Color Dramatic lashes. So these are a little bit drama. I think these are $2 or something like that. So $1.99. So not too shabby. Love these lashes. Love them. Then I can never find my lint roller when I need it. So you get a pack of lint rollers, and I love that they're color assorted. They're the mini ones. But how cool, guys! Yes, slash rollers, come through. Show your colors. So these are mini, so very excited for that. What else did I get? This was kind of cool. It's a makeup brush washing machine. Look at that. You guys ever heard of a makeup brush washing machine? I've never. Actually, I did see a video on it, but I'm curious to see the hype on this. So your girl is gonna have to test these stuff out and see if it truly works. While they tape this box up. All sides is taped up. Alright, let's see here. Oh, she's cute! It looks like a washing machine! Oh my goodness! Yes, come through! Wow, this is cute! I guess your brushes go on the top. But I don't know, this looks cheap. But it says a fun way to clean your brushes, makeup sponges and brushes. Step 1. Fill with water and add cleanser. Step 2, dunk brushes or sponges. Put button to start spinning. Step 4, drain water. Step 5, repeat until water is clear. I have to try this out and see if it works, and I just love that it's pink. My favorite color. This is cute. We here for this. We are here for this. I'm sorry it doesn't come with the batteries. So it says batteries, brush, and beauty sponge not included. So your girl gotta buy some batteries. So sorry I can't do it on camera for you guys, but you guys can always ask me if it worked and I'll let you know. I also bought some Vaseline. It's winter time and it's cold. We just had like a couple of snowstorms last week, or the week before. So your girl gotta keep her lips hydrated. So Vaseline, got some nice Vaseline. And that's it for my Five Below. Oh, actually no, I bought these Q-tips. I just got them because they were pink. I was like, pink Q-tips. Yes, pink Q-tips. I love pink, in case I didn't say it like 1,000 times already. I love pink. So, it says hot color, plastic stick, cotton swabs, 500 count. So I got these. So, yeah. So I have like the clear, acrylic things I have in my bathroom. So everybody can see that they're pink. Super excited for this. So all the small things like pink Q-tips that make me happy. Alrighty, so from my local drugstore, I just thought I'd share with you. I don't know if you guys have this in your local, not my local drugstore, my local beauty supply store. I love these Eye Envy lashes. Like, this one is number 7, 3D. I love these. Oh, that's what I have on today. So if you guys want to know what I have on my lashes today, that is what I have on. I love these. These are like, I know this may sound bad, but this is like my everyday like lashes when I do wear lashes, because they're not too long. Like, I like long lashes, but sometimes I want to do long and like thick and full, but not too like over the top where it's like, where's she going? I feel like these give that look, number 7. So thought I'd share that with you. And then they had some new ones. These are multi-angle and volume 3D lashes. So bought a lot of lashes. But yeah, you can never have too much lashes. So got it from the 3D collection. So can't wait to try these. And then these were new too. It says 3D Intermix Lashes. It's a 3D hybrid. So I bought these lashes as well. Love lashes. So can't wait to try these. And then I've actually bought this from H&M. And I did try this glitter. These glitters are so much more nicer than the one from the Five Below. I didn't even know H&M sells like makeup, but like, I said, how bad could it be? It was like right when I was about to check out, and I picked it up. And these glitters are actually really good. So I forgot I bought these. So I'm happy that I did this video, because now I can finally use these and remember that I have them now. But how cute, guys. These are the glitters. Yes, glitters. Yes. So super excited for everything. I got a lot of cool stuff between, like, I just did my unbagging of my Ulta haul. Now I did all my Five Below stuff. And now I can finally use all my products. Yes! Yay! Super excited to finally use my stuff after all these weeks of having it here. Yeah. Self-control. The self-control is real over here. But that's the ending of my video. So if you guys want to see what I got in on my March boxes, stay tuned for that. I will have some more hauls. I'm going to TJ Maxx tomorrow. I think I may do my first like video where like I'm in like my car. I have to see the weather and stuff like that, but I'm scared to do it, but I think I may do it. I think that may be my first one, and depending how well it goes, maybe I'll do more. I'll do like a come shop with be. I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx and Marshalls because I gotta get some stuff. So if you guys want to see what I'm gonna get, stay tuned for that video as well. Love and miss you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. If you haven't had a chance to yet, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.